Spanish and Latin Cadets ShipOwner 533. We see how India wages go up the roof and higher. Then no seat on board planes, prices of flights, July, August, sky high, will continue. And many ship owners are thinking, why not invest in the Caribbean, Pacific, Atlantic? Why? Because it's a growth area. There are no wars there. There are no menaces of this TT, the Trump tariffs, like with Brazil and Argentina and Guyana, Panama, Peru, so on. Same with Spain. It is the tiki-taka, the meeting point of world commerce. 50% of ships from LNGs, LPGs, chemical, container, ROPAX, everything is around meeting point, tiki-taka, Spain. So then ship owners complain, we don't have top 4 officers for this LPG, for this LNG, for this container, bulk carrier, you call it. Anyway, so who is investing in 300 Spanish cadets today? Did I hear you say me? No, no one. Let's have another ship owner invest first. Yes, let's go second place. Silver medal is nice, isn't it, dear ship owner? Then others complain, well, we do not have Asians going to the Caribbean, it's so expensive. Really, it is logical, is it ethical, it is moral, it is ESG, corporate social responsible, is it transparent to fly crew and have all these emissions? For what? Whilst you can invest in Panama cadets. How many? 200? Peru cadets? 60? Less numbers than Venezuela cadets. How many? How many are there in Brazil? And so on. Why not invest, dear ship owner, in the future generations today? Let's get the silver medal. If you want the gold medal, contact us, because today we could employ these 400, 500-ish cadets. Perhaps we get 100 captains and 100 chief engineers for your fleet, dear ship owner. Or perhaps Bitcoin or Amazon or MicroStrategy or a casino is a better bet than the cadets. Well, I think that I was really very young and I had this opportunity. Why not give this opportunity? Why not invest ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparently say, hey cadets, apply in Candina, ship owner, okay, we will invest in your long-term talent retention, because it's not all about how much money you get. Well, some nationalities think like that. Others, in the Latino place, in Spain, we think stability long-term, and perhaps the food we eat is much important than how much money we get. Yes, why? Because we live much longer and we smile. So please, ship owner, think about this policy. We can really solve your problems today and cut the cost, but invest in the best way is the training of your future generations of leaders. Thank you. Bye.